Hello, I'm Katie with WTI and I want to share with you the Avene Restorative Protective Cream. Now I got this because my skin had become very dry due to a medication that I am on, and I really needed something very moisturizing for my skin. Now this cream from Avene has become my new daily moisturizer. When you first apply it, you will notice that it is very thick. I like to let it warm up on my skin for a few seconds before I rub it in. I have been using it for about 2 months, and the dryness issues that I were experiencing have stopped completely. I also have mild rosacea, and after using it, any irritation that I had before, like any bumps that I had in my skin, are now gone. Because it is so thick, you don't need a lot, which means I'm only halfway through my tube, which makes my wallet happy since I don't have to repurchase too much. It can be used all over the body as well, such as your elbows or your knees. There are just so many uses for this cream, and I'm so glad I found it. So now you know, try it for yourself, and that is my point of view.